a very low rate of loss because of you have your own inventory at home or at your warehouse, and you sell the products from your home one by one, right? In this way. Hi friends, how are you? Yesterday I talked about the different four models of online business. Like first one was retail arbitrage, second one was drop shipping, third one was drop shipping from Amazon, and the last one, fourth one, was the wholesale business. Now I'll elaborate these four models of online business one by one. First one is retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage, I think so, it has a very low rate of loss because of you have your own inventory at home or at your warehouse, and you sell the products from your home one by one, right? In this way, you have minimum rate of loss in this type of business. Uh, like you buy a product like extension lead or Alpina trimmer or anything else. You buy this product in 3 pound or 5 pound, and you sell it suggested price of eBay or Amazon, or you can give your own price like 7 pound, 8 pound. It up to you. You give free delivery, free postage or not. It's up to you. But the people of UK, Europe, America, China, everywhere in the whole world prefer the free postage. I think so. You should must pay attention towards the free postage as well. It would be better for your business. It will excel. It'll give a big boost to your business. I think so. If you start from retail arbitrage, it'll very bad for you. Thank you.